Please stay with us until the end of this video, as we are about to reveal some promising altcoins that have the potential to deliver substantial returns, ranging from 10x to 20x, once the ETF approval is granted. So, don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Welcome back to TheCryptoJournal. We're thrilled to have you here.
Okay, look at this, understand this. There are a lot of spot Bitcoin ETF applications out there. Everyone is excited about BlackRock, of course. But besides BlackRock, we have ARK Invest, Bitwise, Invesco, WisdomTree, Valkyrie, VanEck, Fidelity, and even more than just this.
No one really knows when we're going to get approval. So you're seeing a lot of speculation, you're seeing a lot of commentary. They're using best efforts, like things like the fact that the commission hasn't put up significant roadblocks in disclosure review, etc. But again, I think people, even the fact that we're here talking about when as opposed to if, that's a massive shift from even a year ago.
What is ETF and how does it work? ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are exactly as the name implies. Funds that trade on exchanges, generally tracking a specific index. When you invest in an ETF, you get a bundle of assets you can buy and sell during market hours, potentially lowering your risk and exposure while helping to diversify your portfolio. John Deaton, the attorney representing XRP token holders in the Ripple lawsuit against the SEC, anticipates potential U.S. approval for Bitcoin ETFs by late 2023.
To the CNBC Fed survey are pricing out any future hikes, but extending for even longer the time that the Fed stays where it is now at its terminal rate. Steve Leisman joins us now. Hey, Steve.
Good morning, Joe. Yeah, while respondents to the Fed survey expect no additional hikes, they have now fully embraced the higher for longer mantra from the Fed to the point where no rate cuts are expected until now the third quarter of 2024.
Even in the wake of the Sam Bankman-Fried trial last week, the crypto bulls still on parade, with the price of Bitcoin topping $35,000 once again after the SEC decided not to appeal the court ruling on Grayscale's proposal to convert its Bitcoin trust to an ETF.
Bitcoin price after BlackRock ETF. Latest updates. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF, such as the BlackRock Spot ETF, is highly anticipated and expected to greatly impact Bitcoin's price, leading to increased adoption and investment in the cryptocurrency. The approval of multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications, including BlackRock, could significantly impact the price of Bitcoin due to increased demand. The excitement surrounding the ETF approval is driven by the belief that it will bring a substantial increase in the price of Bitcoin. The introduction of a Bitcoin ETF could make it easier for fund managers to include Bitcoin in their portfolios, potentially leading to increased adoption and investment in the cryptocurrency. The upcoming Bitcoin ETF is seen as a major milestone for Bitcoin, with Bitwise stating that it could be the biggest thing to happen to Bitcoin since its creation in 2009. Bitcoin is seen as a digital version of gold, serving as an international asset that can be used as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. If the BlackRock ETF was approved today and Bitcoin experienced a 420% increase, it could potentially reach a price of $130,000 per Bitcoin. The speaker predicts that if the ETF is approved, Bitcoin could reach a price between $200,000 to possibly over $300,000, leading to all-time highs. If there's $100 billion that flows into Bitcoin, the guys at Fidelity think that could have an 11 times factor in terms of valuation.
12 best altcoins after BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF approval. Crypto winter is over. A massive Bitcoin bull run is coming, particularly with Bitcoin's halving coming up, a BlackRock Bitcoin ETF on the horizon. BlackRock is the largest money manager in the world, my friends.
Best altcoin after etc. approved. Litecoin is often overlooked because it's just not as sexy as things like Ethereum or different tokens on Ethereum, but Litecoin has regulatory clarity. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is a commodity, for sure. Like Bitcoin, in addition to breaking news, Litecoin's hash rate just hit a new all-time high today. Look at this. Most people don't know about this. Most people forget about Litecoin. Litecoin makes our list. Injective, like other blue-chip tokens in the space, just made a strategic partnership with Google Cloud. In fact, Injective is being integrated into Google Cloud's BigQuery. This integration is going to enable both developers and businesses to do a lot of key things. If you're unfamiliar, Injective is the fastest L1 blockchain for finance. backed by Binance Panta and Mark Cuban and Injective, is the only major token I can see. Mina Protocol, the world's lightest blockchain, bringing access and privacy to Web3 with zero knowledge. Mina is the world's lightest blockchain powered by participants. 100 plus countries join us. Huge milestone, 300,000 blocks. Produced since Genesis, they make our list. 300,000 blocks rolled up into one constant-sized proof. This is the power of infinite recursion. Crypto.com. Crow token makes our list. Crypto.com just recorded its highest Bitcoin inflows since FTX collapse. My takeaway is Crypto.com is still here. As the bull market approaches, they're going to be doing a lot of marketing. They're going to be putting Crow token out in front of you. Come use our exchange Crypto.com. Crow token makes our list. Binance, BNB, token is a little bit of a gamble, right? Binance is going through a lot. Binance continues to go through a lot. It's possible, maybe even likely, that we get a better buying opportunity than we have now, than we have had this bear cycle. It's possible Binance goes away, right? But it's also possible that Binance survives. And if you want to take that bet, buy. When there's fear in the air and blood on the streets. Ultimately up to you. Binance makes our list. XRP. Guys, XRP and Ripple regulatory. Clarity in the US is a big deal. Just in time for this next bull market. I suspect XRP is going to do better this coming bull market than the bull market. And you know, I was bearish last cycle for good reason. This cycle I'm a little bit more bullish. So hear the all who will make a blast after ETF approval. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to see upcoming videos. Let me know your opinion below in the comments. That's all from CryptoJournal. See you soon with new news.